6 natural cough remedies you can make from items already in your kitchen. Got a nagging cough? Before you reach for an over-the-counter cough suppressant, try one of these natural treatments for a home cure. Cough remedy number 1, steep some thyme. Thyme is an officially approved German cough treatment, and a remedy for upper respiratory infections, bronchitis, and whooping cough. With good reason, those tiny leaves are packed with cough suppressant compounds. Thyme flavonoids relax tracheal and ileal muscles, which are involved in coughing, and also reduce inflammation and headaches. Give these home remedies for headaches a try too. For homemade tea, mix 2 teaspoons crushed leaves in 1 cup boiling water, cover, then steep for 10 minutes and strain. Cough remedy number 2, fight with flax, honey, and lemon. Boiling flax seeds in water gives you a thick, gooey gel that eases throat and bronchial tract discomfort. Honey and lemon act as mild antibiotics, and make this syrup super soothing. For this at-home remedy, boil 2 to 3 tablespoons of flax seeds in 1 cup of water until the water becomes thick. Strain, then add 3 tablespoons each of honey and lemon juice. Take 1 tablespoon as needed for cough treatment. Cough remedy number 3, brew black pepper tea for a wet cough. This home remedy is rooted in 2 very different traditions, New England folk medicine and traditional Chinese medicine. The rationale behind it is that black pepper stimulates circulation and mucus flow, honey is a natural cough suppressant and mild antibiotic. To make the tea, place 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and 2 tablespoons of honey in a cup. Fill with boiling water and let steep, covered, for 15 minutes. Strain and sip as needed. This remedy works best on coughs that produce mucus and isn't suitable for dry coughs. Black pepper also has 7 other weird benefits that you should be aware of. Cough remedy number 4, suck a lemon for fast-acting cough relief. This cough treatment isn't for the faint of heart, but it is one of the more commonly used home remedies. Quarter a fresh lemon, sprinkle it with lots of black pepper and salt, and suck on it for quick relief. If you're not feeling up to sucking on a lemon, try putting some in your water, it has incredible health benefits. Cough remedy number 5, sip some warm milk. Another popular home cough suppressant is a cup of hot milk sweetened with honey. Cough remedy number 6, blend almonds. Some ancient traditions believe almonds help relieve bronchial problems, including coughs. They recommend blending a few teaspoons of finely ground almonds with a cup of orange juice and sipping as a natural cough treatment. Having a handful of almonds every day can also help to lower your cholesterol.